Hello, Year 3, Mr. Bayford here for Wednesday's maths lesson, and we're going to be starting something new today. The learning intention is I know how to present data with a pictogram. I believe you should have looked at pictograms in Year 2. If not, we will have a little recap in just a moment. But before we do, Aphrodite uses a tally chart, which we've used in Year 1, to show the number of fruits in a basket. Here they are. So we've got oranges here. Oh, I wonder if you can remember how we can count a tally chart. Pears, and finally strawberries. So I'll give you a moment just to work out how many of each fruit she has got. So pause now. Okay, welcome back. So oranges, she's got 8. We can see that she's got 8 there, but she's written it in a tally. Do you remember when we count in to 5 on a tally chart, we strike through it, and this way we can easily count in 5s here. So this is 5 plus 3, which is 8, 5 plus 1, which is 6, and 5 and 5, which is 10. So how else can she show the number of each type of fruit? How many different ways can you think of? So I'm going to pause now. How else can you show the number of each type of fruit? So pause now. Welcome back. I wonder if you thought about these ways. She uses a table, so just a standard table here. Number of fruits is the label here, and oranges, pears, and strawberries. So oranges, number of fruits, 8. Pears, number of fruits, 6. Strawberries, number of fruits, 10. So you could have used a table. She also uses a picture graph or a pictogram, and it looks something like this. So we label our table before we do anything so that anybody that walks along can understand what's going on here. Number of fruits in the basket. So orange. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. They've used multi-link here, haven't they? Pears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But what do these mean? Each multi-link stands for one fruit. Okay, so actually I was counting correctly there. It could have stood for 2 pieces of fruit, and I would have been counting wrong. She draws a different picture graph underneath down here. Now look, there's not as many here. Number of fruits, okay, oranges, she's only got 4. Interesting. Pears, she's only got 3. Strawberries, she's only got 5. Hmm. This is where this sentence down here is extremely important. Each red square stands for 2 fruits. So I shouldn't have been counting in ones, I should have been counting in 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are 3 great other ways we could have shown our initial problem. So here the graph shows that the graph shows number of pupils who have joined the football club. Okay, Petworth. Here we go. We've got a few faces here. Parham, not as many, but a few there. Goodwood's got a few, and Cowdray also got a few there. Each smiley face stands for one pupil. Okay, so we look down here, complete this table. Here are the classes, number of pupils in a football club. So let's fill this in first before moving over to here. Draw another picture graph to show the number of pupils in each class who join the football club. But be careful. We must read this sentence down here as well. Let's pause now and fill this in. Okay, welcome back. So this is just a standard number, isn't it? Just standard. So Petworth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 there. Parham, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 there. Goodwood have also got 5, and Cowdray have got 6 there. Wonderful. Now, this is where it gets a little bit tricky. So, each whole orange circle stands for 2 people. This is going to be quite awkward for me, but I wondered if you worked out how to do it. So, Petworth have got 8. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. Wonderful. Param, I've got 5, 2, 4. I won't be able to do that, so I'm going to have to try and make it 2.5. I might have to do it like this, okay? And I hope that can show 2.5. Goodwood, same again, isn't it? 2 and up and a half there. And then Cowdray is 6, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so this is fine, but what I would say about my half here is that I might just make it so I've written underneath each, I would put each sort of squashed, squashed orange stands for one pupil, just to make that absolutely clear for everybody else. Okay, you could probably guess that that was half. However, it wasn't totally clear, and that just clears it up for everyone. Okay, great. Moving on. So this is the activity you are going to do by yourself. So this table below, this one right here, shows the number of pupils in each team during a game. So Petworth have got 8 numbers of pupils. Parham have got 10. Goodwood have got 4. Cowdray have also got 10. So now there's a picture graph down here. Oh, but look closely here for it to make sense. Okay, so that's one thing to fill in. And then it goes on to another one where it says each circle stands for, how many pupils? How many are you going to choose? Be careful, because if you chose 5 pupils, it would get extremely complicated trying to work out halves. So try and find a number that can relate to all 4 of these numbers, something that will fit, rather than trying to do halves like I did earlier. So the next slide will have the answers, so I'm going to ask you to pause now and we'll go through it together. Welcome back. Have you written them down? Okay. So, this is what I got up to. So each little person here stands for 1 pupil. So Petworth had 8. There are 8 pupil there. I tried to get them in a line. It is a little bit messy. Parham have got 10, and there they are, like that. Goodwood have got 4. Cowdray have got 10 as well. Luckily, these are quite small numbers. If they were quite big, this each person stands for 1 pupil, it would look very, very messy. So going over to here, number of pupils in each teams. Now, I wondered if you noticed that the number 2 goes into all of these. I did think about the 4, and that might work. However, I'll keep it simple. Each circle stands for 2 people. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wonderful. I hope you did okay there. And finally, there's just one last challenge for you to do. Can you create 2 separate pictograms to display the following information? The symbol used in each should have a value of more than 1. So which value are you going to choose for each pictogram? So 1, 2. You've got 42, 39, 24, much bigger numbers now. But you can't use 1. You're going to have to find a way of using a number more than 1 in order to show these. But that is your challenge of the day. Thank you very much. Please send in any maths work. We'd love to see it. And have a lovely rest of the day.